Imagine having a personal nutritionist in your kitchen. These eye-powered tools transform how creators and entrepreneurs meal prep, saving hours every week while eating healthier. Tools like Mealum and Nutritionix use i2 generate personalized meal plans based on your dietary goals, allergies, and preferences. They auto-calculate macros, create shopping lists, and sync with delivery services. Perfect for busy creators who need quick, nutritious meals without the guesswork. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Platforms like Flavorbox and Yumly's iEngine analyze thousands of recipes, matching them to your taste profile and available ingredients. Scale recipes instantly for any serving size. These tools eliminate decision fatigue and reduce food waste, essential for content creators managing tight schedules and budgets, and entrepreneurs manage tight. Voice-activated tools like Google Home and Alexa with kitchen integrations help you follow recipes hands-free, convert measurements, and manage multiple cooking times simultaneously. Brands like Kosori now integrate eye temperature control. Game changer for multitasking entrepreneurs filming or working while cooking. Apps like Chronometer and MyFitnessPal use eye to analyze nutritional gaps in your diet automatically. They suggest ingredient swaps and meal adjustments to meet health goals. Freelancers and small business owners get data-driven insights without hiring a nutritionist. Affordable health optimization. Subscribe for more iTool reviews that boost productivity. Like this video and comment which cooking tool you're trying first. And ID enhance your creativity.